Yes, hello students. So this is basically, this video is nothing but to show you as axis designation, how basically axis will be designated in CNC, VMC. So basically we will be talking about two things, like in lathe, we'll be having horizontal machining or machining based on horizontal axis, and in milling we will be having vertical spindle, vertical axis, right, where machining will occur. So it depends on the axis and which axis we will have to take accordingly, right? So as you can see over here, my three fingers are there. So thumb in any particular machine, whenever we want to design, so remember this thing properly. Whenever we want to designate axis, so thumb will always represent x-axis. Your first finger will always represent y-axis, and middle finger will always represent z-axis. So again I am repeating, thumb will be representing x-axis, first finger will be representing y-axis, and third finger will be nothing but representing z-axis, right? So let's say we want to designate axis for a CNC machine, and or you can say lathe machine, CNC lathe machine. So on that we know that chuck, from the previous slide we saw that chuck will be chuck, or you can say spindle or workpiece, will be located horizontally. So whichever is your spindle axis, whichever is your workpiece axis, you will be basically accordingly putting z axis in that direction. So let's say we all know about a thumb rule, right? This way basically thumbs will be arranged, all the fingers will be arranged in perpendicular direction to each other. So it will be like this, z axis. Automatically if you put z axis in the one particular direction, y and x will be perpendicular to that, right? So let's talk about lathe, in which basically spindle axis, that is z, will be in this direction, as you can see over here. So z will be in this direction, y will be in perpendicular direction to that, and x also will be perpendicular to each other, I mean both of them, x, z and y, right? So as you can see over here, and as you know from the EG also, that if you see from the top view, right, this is nothing but the top view. Again I am telling you that z has to be in this direction, right, as a spindle axis of a lathe machine will be in this direction, right? Y is perpendicular to it, and x accordingly also will be perpendicular to both of them, z and y respectively, right? Now if we talk about EG, top view में जो भी आप देखते हो, whatever you are seeing in top view, it will be you won't be able to get its dimension कि z axis basically top view से आप देख रहे हो, तो उसमें basically you won't be able to measure its dimension, its length, get its dimension ultimately, right? So that you will have to ignore. So over here also we will have to ignore whichever is the vertical axis in top direction, top view. Whenever we see this particular fingers in from top view, we will have to ignore the axis that is y1 over here, y axis, because it is basically in this direction, in vertical direction, in upward direction. So we won't be able to see it. We will only be able to see z axis, which is over here, and ultimately x axis, right, which is shown by the thumb. So spindle will be in z direction, automatically y axis will be perpendicular, which you won't be able to see from top view, and x axis again will be thumb, which you are able to see right now, right? So this way it will be the direction, and you will have to ultimately ignore y axis. This was basically CNC machine, about CNC machine. Now if we talk about vertical milling center or vertical machining, so in that, as we know, spindle will be vertically located, right? So in that it will be like this, like your z axis let's say is like this, right? So we will be arranging z axis in this direction. Similarly y and x axis will be located in this direction. It will be basically set up in this direction. So again, as you are seeing in top view, you won't be able to get the dimension of z axis or middle finger, right? So z axis ultimately from top view we are seeing, we are not able to see it, and we will only be able to see y axis, right, and x axis. So that will be nothing but the axis we will have to consider while machining. So whenever you are performing milling, vertical milling, or you can say horizontal operation on lathe machine. Accordingly we will have to set up direction. So vertical पे milling machine पे अपने जैसे काम करते हैं, तो at that time we will have to ignore z axis, which is your middle finger, which you cannot see from basically the top view dimension, basically we are talking about, and you will be only able to see y and x axis. So accordingly we will have to work with y and x axis. So we'll have to take into consideration x y direction, right? For that we have certain code. And talking about lathe machine, as I have discussed with you, in that we will be able to see z and x only. We won't be able to see the first finger basically, that is basically representing y axis, so we will ignore it. So whichever from top view you won't be able to see will be ignored, and which you will be able to see from top view, let's say z and x, so that you will consider while working on lathe machine. Talking about basically milling again, so in that spindle will be located in this direction. So z axis always will be again, let me tell you, will be representing nothing but spindle, right? So spindle का basically z axis का direction ले लेते हैं. तो z axis now in this case it has become from top view is, if you can see, that basically is right now over here, which you won't be able to see, but you will be clearly able to see x and y axis. So we will have to consider x and y axis. And remember, if you work on lathe machine, if you work on milling machine, let us say that CNC lathe machine we are working on, CNC milling we are working on. So on all of them basically we will have to consider two directions only, right? Basically, which is nothing but x, y, z and zx accordingly. But usually we don't have any particular machine in which your x axis are perpendicular. I mean x axis में spindle basically आपका locate हो रहा है, and you will have to work on y and z axis. So ये basically usually अपने जो syllabus में है machinery उसमें नहीं होता है. Will be only working with vertical milling center में अपने x y के साथ काम करेंगे. And basically let's say horizontal milling की बात करें तो we'll have to work with z and x. So this is the way simple video I have made to understand the importance of axis and how you can basically represent that, and based on that only we'll go for part programming. Okay.